Hello. I'd like to talk you through the functionality introduced in future version 5.5 for the automatic fitting of decline curves. This is controlled in the weld dialog with the settings here under type of production model. So here we've got an example of a well which has got that hasn't had its decline curve set. And what we're going to do is we're going to swap to future carrying out the decline analysis. And that's done by choosing one of these two options, either fitting to the historical data or fitting to the well test data. When you do that, future quickly starts from the last point and then works its way backwards, trying to fit curves. And at when it finds the range that gives the best thing, it'll take that, and then that's the result that you'll get. And it'll display the R² value on the dialog there. So with that option, future determines the start and end point. But there are a number of things that still are under your control. So, for example, the type of curve is still under your control, and indeed the degree of curvature in hyperbolic remains user controlled. You've also got, it also automatically fits the GOR trend if you work. You also have the option of whether to have the start point chosen by the autofit or instructing it to honor the last prior historical. So again, you can vary that, and you'll see the slight differences that those various options make. So if you look under the R² value, we would recommend that with this you start by using the user specified option, i.e. that the autofit can choose it, and then if that doesn't work, then you try the honor the last prior. The idea behind the functionality is that it should be useful when you've got large numbers of wells, for example, when you're initially setting it up. And for that purpose, it's set up so that it can apply itself to a large number, and then it can tell you the result. And here it shows in the well approval manager, it'll inform you the information about and the options there are NA for not applicable, for when it's not relevant, for example, when a well is not using decline analysis. Yes, if it's decline analysis and it's managed to find a fit. No, if it's not declined analysis. And then there's a final option of failed if decline analysis, the autofit of the decline analysis has been chosen, but it didn't manage to get a good fit.